Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your mentorship outreach using BetterUp, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your mentorship outreach using BetterUp, first, log in to your BetterUp account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the mentorship section in the main menu. Click on the mentorship tab to access your outreach tools. Next, select the option to create a new outreach. Fill in the necessary details about your mentorship request. Include information such as your goals and preferences. Make sure to specify the skills or experience you are seeking in a mentor. After entering your details, review the information for accuracy. Once you are satisfied, submit your mentorship request. You will then receive a confirmation that your outreach has been sent. Next, check your notifications for any responses from potential mentors. If a mentor responds, you'll be able to view their profile. Take time to review their credentials and background. Decide if their experience aligns with your mentorship needs. If you find a match, proceed to schedule a meeting. Utilize the scheduling tool within BetterUp to find a convenient time. Once scheduled, prepare for your initial meeting by outlining discussion points. After the meeting, reflect on the conversation to evaluate compatibility. If you feel it's a good fit, continue building your mentorship relationship. If not, don't hesitate to explore other mentor options. This process allows you to effectively verify your mentorship outreach using BetterUp. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.